Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Michael Binder. I'm the president of the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission, and it's really a great pleasure to welcome you all to Ottawa for this important IAEA conference on effective nuclear regulatory system. This is the third edition of the conference, and we are pleased to have this opportunity to host it here in Ottawa. This afternoon, I will be chairing the keynote panel on awareness of safety at the national level. I'm sure we all agree that the Fukushima Daiichi event changed our nuclear safety paradigm. It demonstrated to the world that major lapses in the nuclear safety regime can have catastrophic impacts, displacing people and impacting the international economy and global stability. It demonstrated that nuclear accidents do not recognize borders. It increased the angst, fear, and distrust of the public about the safety case of nuclear activities. It also provided clear evidence that all accountability gaps in the international nuclear safety and security framework must be addressed. The IAEA and all nuclear regulators must continue to respond aggressively to the lesson learned from the Fukushima accident. If another nuclear event takes place, the credibility of the nuclear safety regulatory regime, both domestically and internationally, will be further diminished. We believe that nuclear safeguard, security, and safety are intrinsically linked and should be considered in a coherent, cohesive manner through national and international frameworks in order to achieve enhancement in all three areas. One of the most difficult challenges facing all of us is how to address the tension between national regulatory sovereignty and the collective responsibility of the international community to make sure that no accident happen again. It is incumbent on governments, regulators, world organizations, and the private sector to demonstrate collective responsibility and leadership in ensuring that nuclear safety continues to be strengthened and that follow-up action continue to be robust, effective, and transparent. Leadership starts at the top, including at the political level. We must all recognize the importance of providing transparent and regular communication to ensure that decision makers and the public, the general public, have quick access to easily understandable and fact-based information. These are essential elements in building public trust and confidence that are needed for all of us to effectively do our jobs.